So the pros and cons of buying a new construction home. If you're an out-of-state buyer, this is a great option for you because new construction, you've already seen the plans, you know exactly what the home is going to look like, and it's brand new. So you know there's not going to be any kind of issues, and most of the time, new home builders have a warranty on the home. So you can trust that if anything happens, you have that warranty to go back on and fix any kind of issues. However, one of the cons with buying a new construction home is that it's basically a blank canvas. So when you're buying a resale home, you might have blinds already in the home, gutters already installed, and a fence. You'll find with new construction, they don't have those at all. So you'll be having to come out of pocket to put those necessary things on your home. So whether you're buying new construction or you're not, just be mindful of those pros and cons. My name is Serena King. I'm a real estate agent here in Lafayette, Louisiana. Like and follow for more.